whipping the pre-pre. Let me buckle up. My mom said she's going 100, y'all. We buckled. Update, y'all. They didn't have my oil. So he said that it should be there around 2 o'clock. I guess whoever delivered the first round of parts didn't take my oil. We'll be back. What I'm gonna do for now while I'm waiting for them to get the oil, I'm gonna just bring my car into the garage. That way it's already jacked up and everything. I closed the garage because it's kind of hot outside, and I'm also filming for Instagram, so I'm trying to do both things at the same time. It's a little rough, but we're making it work. So we're gonna jack this car up right now. Make sure you put it right spot. How the fuck? I'm gonna just shut the fuck up. So I realized while I was jacking my car up that it's really weird to jack up the F82s. There's only like 4 spots that you could jack it up. So we had to make do with what we got, and we used the back ones. Just a little tip in case you're doing your oil change. Look at the engine bay, you guys. Oh my gosh. Literally the carbon fiber. Sorry, it's dirty. I need to clean it off. The carbon fiber just, oh my gosh. Literally, like, it looks so good. Now that we're up here, I'm going to show you guys, which this is actually super cool. And like, this is my first time ever doing an oil change on my M4. The oil filter is right here. So instead of it being on the bottom, which I'm used to on all my cars, it's up here. So you do need the tool to take off the oil filter. And the only thing that's going to be at the bottom is the drain plug. And then we'll get into it. Update, y'all, I broke the other camera. Not funny. So you're gonna need an oil filter wrench, and then I got my little thing, which shout out to my neighbor because I have one of these and I don't know what I did with it. Also, he always helps me out with tools because I'm not very equipped with tools. These are my dad's tools, but I don't really have tools like that. Now that we're done removing that, we gotta come down here. We're gonna have to drain the oil. I already have my handy dandy drain pan thing. That's what we gonna do. Okay, so we're now under the car, and actually, fun fact, I have a really big fear of being under the car. We're not gonna say why, but you already know. You get the gist of it. I'm super happy because it doesn't have the cover, because some of them do have the cover, and all I have to do is break it off. And yeah, so that's what we're about to do right now. So let me bring you guys a little bit closer. Ouch. You always want to keep a little bit of tension, and this shit's about to squirt out. Oh no, I got a little bit on the floor. Dad, don't be mad. Ooh. I'm waiting for it to drain out right now, and then I think I'm gonna go to O'Reilly's to go see if my oil's there. Fingers crossed, because it literally was not there this morning, and I've already got a battle scar. Look, I'm bleeding. Send the ambulance, please. I'm super glad. This noise right here. Hear this? You hear that noise? That's what I like to hear, because we're just gonna leave it at that. We're just gonna leave it at that. Update, we got the oil, and he didn't even order the right one. He was supposed to order the 030. We looked it up on the O'Reilly's thing, and it says it's fine. So I'm gonna be running 530 mobile European car formula. Oh, and I have the filter too. Plus, it doesn't get that cold in SoCal, so like it's fine to run a little bit of thicker oil. And even in my Mustang, I actually ran thicker oil, and I would top it off with VR1. So I have to put the drain plug back in because I think it should be done draining by now, and we're just gonna get her done. So we're gonna switch this with this and make it look all nice and brand new. We have these gaskets right here that we have to put on that are very important, so don't forget to do this part. So I forgot to tell you guys want to get a flathead. That way we can take the this gasket off right here. So the flathead's gonna help us, you know, get that thing off. So let's get her done. I got the oil filter in, and then I lubed my gaskets. So make sure you lube your gaskets before you you know, put your stuff in. And now we're gonna go to the top. Okay, now that you got this all nice and snug, got to put the oil in. And I already made sure that everything was tight underneath. 20 hours later. And oh man, y'all, I tell y'all, I need to do cardio. I don't know why I'm nervous, y'all, but every time I start my car, I get nervous. And it's not because I'm not sure about my work. It's just this is different than my Mustang because it doesn't have a dipstick, and I'm so used to the freaking dipstick. So I don't even know what the hell am I supposed to do? So this makes me feel even more better. I can't check the oil until approximately 30 minutes that the engine's turned on. Literally, I get 2 in my head, you guys. I get 2 in my head. Okay, this is the first start. So my camera actually died before I got a chance to end this video, so I thought I would hop on here and just end this real quick. But I hope you guys enjoyed this little oil change video. I know I do a lot of oil change videos, but I promise there'll be more installs coming soon. But if you guys do want to keep up with me, I will leave my social medias in the description down below. Also, if you are in the market for carbon parts, I have a code right here that you can use to get 10% off. And yeah, so stay tuned for some more vlogs.